Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to use your HomePod Mini as a TV speaker so that it will work with any input including cable, satellite TV, Xbox and PlayStation. Before we get started, you need to make sure you have the following equipment: a HomePod Mini, or two if you want to make a stereo pair, an Apple TV 4K, a TV with an HDMI audio return channel or HDMI ARC for short. If you're not sure, look at the HDMI inputs on your TV. One of them should be labelled ARC or eARC. Your Apple TV must be connected to the HDMI ARC port. You must also make sure your Apple TV and HomePod Mini are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's get started with the setup. Go to the settings menu on your Apple TV and select video and audio. Then scroll down to audio output. You should now be able to see your HomePod Mini. If you can't see it, make sure it's in the same room as your Apple TV. To do this, open the Home app, press and hold on the HomePod Mini and select Accessory Details. Then scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the gear-shaped settings icon. You should then have an option to select what room the HomePod Mini is in. Mine is in the lounge. Now that the HomePod Mini is in the same room as my Apple TV, I have the option to use it as a TV speaker, so I will press Use. If you have two HomePods in the same room, it will also ask you if you want to create a stereo pair. As you can see, the HomePod Mini has now been selected as a default audio output. However, you're not finished yet. This will only play the content from the Apple TV through the HomePod. To play all your TV audio through your HomePod, you need to turn on the Play Television Audio option under the Audio Return Channel setting. You should see a message saying that it's been connected. In some cases, you might need to turn on the ARC setting in the settings of your TV, but most TVs will do this automatically. If I turn on my Xbox, you can hear that the audio is now coming out of my HomePod Mini. It really is that simple. Now you can enjoy all your favourite content through the amazing sound of your HomePod Mini. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.